My name is Aisha Qureshi. In RE lessons, I am sometimes faced with obnoxious and abusive comments made by fellow students about the promised Messiah alayhi salam. For example, they spread lies about the nature of his demise and therefore mock his truthfulness. How best should I deal with this?
You see, this is the way opponents behave. You can tell them, how do you know that they say that he died in a latrine, in a toilet. So you say, how do you know? As far as we know, he died on the bed. And there's the proof. Our history shows it. So you can tell them that I know of myself and my parents and my siblings much more than you. How can you tell me that you know more than me about my parents and about the siblings? So, this is the way they have been taught to behave. So, let them do what they like. These are their morals are with them. So just pray to Allah Ta'ala that Allah Ta'ala save them. History shows that the Prophet Muhammad, although at the deathbed, or he had some severe diarrhea, but it did not mean that he died in the toilet. He was died on the bed, and there were doctors sitting on his bedside. Even Hazrat Mirza Bashiruddin Mahmud Ahmad, second Khalifa, as Khalifa Awwal, they were all sitting there when he died. So they all say, all these things just nonsense. So these are the people who have been using this obnoxious and abusive comments all the time. You see, didn't they enacted a law against Ahmadis in Pakistan, that Ahmadis are not Muslims? This is also an obnoxious law they have enacted. If their assembly can enact the law like this, such type of obnoxious law, what about other things? What do you expect anything else from them? So no need to worry. You just read your history and you would know that they are lying. And without any complex, you can clearly tell them that whatever you are saying, it's just lie. And this is just a concocted story of your mullahs. Right?
Jazakallah.